Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2024 Nissan Rogue, and I will show you which fuses to check in case your Rogue is equipped with heated seats and they are not working. This video should apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Heated seats fuses will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel just behind this black cover. To remove the cover, grab it from below and pull it over yourself. It's being held by a couple of black clips. Also, on the back side of the cover you will have like a small fuse diagram. And you'll be checking actually 3 fuses, and they are in the bottom right corner. So these two 30 amp fuses and these 5 amp fuse. So this is the first thing to check. And then in case all of these fuses are good, next step to do probably would be to test the heated seats switches, check the wiring, electrical connections and heating element inside the seat. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.